This is Walmart. Hart. Excuse me. Hart brand. 10-inch straight locking jaw pliers. CRV high-grade steel. Max grip. Limited lifetime warranty. Chrome vanadium steel for added strength, longer life teeth. Hardened teeth. Maximum grip power. Quick release. Lock easy. California Proposition 65. Cancer and reproductive harm. I don't know what the hell is reproductive harm. Distributor at Hart Consumer Products. So this is a Walmart job. If you pause it there, you can read it. If you pause it right there, you can read the back. Pretty boring. But anyway, this, they actually look, let me take the zip ties off here. Come on, zip ties. I think that one's coming off. That one's almost off. All right, come on. So anyway, these have a little blue tip. It's a little, it's like the other one's loose. Standard, what do you call it? Vice grip combination thing. The only difference is on this one, it's got the little name burned, lasered into it. Should probably wear out. You'll never know who the hell made it. In a previous video, I showed you CRV, same jaws. So if you look at this one, and then you look at this one, can you see it coming out of the same factory in China, except for a little blue tip? I think they're about under 20 bucks. I think the Walmart one is like what, 12 bucks, somewhere $11. So rip off. The Black Diamond one has the little indent in the top. Basically another vice grip rip off. Way to go, vice grip. You move to China and this is what you get. Shitty knockoffs. But in all fairness, same thing. You have the problem here with the jaws don't line up. But in all fairness, I mean, once people take a patent and just copy it, it's not bad. The metal's pretty thick. It's not made super flimsy cheap. I have an old Motormaster Mastercraft one where you literally could go like this and bend the whole back. This is extremely thick. So yeah, Walmart brand, I give it a thumbs up. If you're out there starting out and want to buy a $20 pair of vice grips, overpriced Milwaukee, even though I like the little red things, stick a Walmart brand tools. Especially if you're going to burn them up welding. I mean, who cares? Buy the cheapest ones. They still, either way, the cheapest ones still, like, 30 bucks or $10. Doesn't make a difference. Still holds. So yeah, thumbs up to that one. Not bad. Shitty Chinese engineering, decent vice grips.